What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing LED lights under the chair dash, maybe. We'll see how it works, what it looks like. These are actually really cheap. You get them off Amazon, $15–20 depending on what options you get. They do come with a remote. They have music mode, so it beats with your music. You could strobe them, different patterns, different colors. Excuse me. Seems like a lot for such a little bit of money. Just come with a remote to change everything, change the brightness level. You have the option to either buy it as a USB connection, hardwire it, or what's the adapter called? The little cigarette lighter adapter. You could do all three options. I did the USB one because I figured it's the most interchangeable one. I could plug it up to almost anything. Didn't really want to hardwire it. Not even sure if I want to keep it in the car. I'm gonna put it in and see what it looks like. So for starters, let's kind of lay out where we think everything's gonna go and see how we're gonna run the wires. So there's a plastic piece here which will prevent me from crossing over, so I'm gonna probably have to take that off. So two of these wires are longer than the other two, not by much. Looks like a foot. Actually, that's a lot to think about now. So the two longer wires are going to be away from the power source, since this has to be near the power source. So this two will probably be under the chairs, while these two will be under the dash. So we're going to start off by removing the center console piece on this side and the other side, so we can pass our wires through. So now that I was able to take off that center console portion, I passed through two of the LED strips to the driver's side. Now I route one under the chair and one under the dash. So I was able to tuck one wire in the center console behind all that. The second one comes out of one of the holes up there. So that will be under the dash. This one will be under the seat. Now that we ran the wires, put everything back together, we hooked it up to some power. Just testing out the lights to see what they look like. They're not fully installed in the spot they're gonna be at, but this is just a rough draft right now. You can change the colors. So there you have it, folks. Full install on the LED interior lights. I have it going under the chair for the back, under the dash for the front. So again, this is off. You can actually turn it on from control. Just focus a little bit. Different colors, different strobe modes. This one's actually with the music. I turn off the music. Just does a slow strobe. But if I start talking, you see it moves faster. Or if I talk slow. Pretty neat. Again, I wouldn't be using the color changing stuff. I'm looking more towards probably this in orange. Reason being, interior's orange. Not bad for $15. Again folks, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.